Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Keto Cooker with Ron, and I'm Ron. If you're new, could you please like and subscribe to the channel? It helps other people know when I post the latest video. Well, today we made a rhubarb cobbler, but we made this late in the summer, and well, actually the middle part of the summer. And I had made it for when I came back from having my hip surgery, and I left it in the refrigerator for a couple of days. When I came back, it kind of really hit the spot. So that's why you haven't got a sample of me having a bite out of it. And but I hope you enjoyed the video. It was really quite simple to make. And by the way, in case you're wondering, I'm fine. The hip came out, the replacement came out really good. Took me a few weeks to get on track, and now I'm flying like a like an energized bunny out there, walking the trail and everything else that I do. So the rhubarb cobbler came out really, really good, and plan on making that again. But these are just some ideas that you can make around the holidays, so you don't have to suffer and say, well, what can I have, Ron? How did you become so successful in losing over 120 pounds over the course of my journey? And actually, I lost a lot more than that. I lost close to 135 pounds. So yeah, so hope you really enjoy the video, and don't forget to be watching for more videos, and enjoy your day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we're going to be making a rhubarb strawberry cobbler, and I got some fresh rhubarb that we're going to be cubing up, and I have to get some strawberries out of the freezer when I get ready to put it all together. And what you'll need for this is a some type of a pan. Today we're using a 5x9, and that's perfectly fine. And what we're going to do with this pan is we're going to spray it with a little bit of cooking oil. Okay, well, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a rhubarb strawberry cobbler. And for this you're going to need a cooking pan. Today we're using a 5x9 clear Pyrex. And you're going to need some rhubarb. Now I already got the rhubarb rinsed. I'm going to dice it up. And I'll show you the process, and then speed it up a little bit, and then show you how I put it all together, and I'll show you how to make the cobbler crust. Okay, so now let's make the cobbler crust. Let's set that aside. 1 good teaspoon of xanthan gum, that acts as a thickening agent. Okay, so now we have all this chopped up, and we have xanthan gum in. Let's give it a good mix. Try to coat some of the other rhubarb. Five tablespoons of melted butter. 2 tablespoons of confectioner swerve. A little bit of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons. 1 large egg, room temperature. And 1 cup of almond flour. And we're going to put a little bit of lemon juice in. That. Some type of whisk. You whisk. Keep working it until you get a crumbling mixture. I forgot to add the lemon, so I added some freshly squeezed lemon on the top of that after this is all done. Just take it and spread it out on top of your cobbler, just like that. There you go. This is our strawberry rhubarb cobbler. It's now ready to go in a preheated oven, which we preheated, and that'll go in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, or whenever it's nice and golden brown without burning it, and the strawberries and the rhubarb will be fully cooked.